Welcome back to Trailer Park Cooking. I'm Genie B Delicious. Today we're just going to be making a simple shrimp cocktail. It's Mexican style. I love shrimp. It's good for you. It was a good price. So I got like a 3-pound bag for $5. So that's not bad. What's in my shrimp cocktail, of course, is shrimp. These are already cooked shrimp, and they were in the frozen section at the store. And then I've got a couple jalapenos. Jalapenos! 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 And lemon! And of course we've got some Roma tomatoes. And then what makes it a kicker is the clamato juice. So that's like the cocktail sauce. We got some cilantro, because I like a little cilantro in my stuff. And then of course garlic salt. Nice push. And we're just going to mix it all together with the shrimp and call it good. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is cut my jalapenos. Now make sure you don't touch your eyes after touching the jalapeno. I cut everything out of the middle and I get rid of all the seeds. I don't know if it's true. I know that jalapenos aren't that hot. Let me see. Oh, it's juicy. We'll see. We'll give it a minute. I like to taste the jalapeno to see how hot it is and what recipe I'm putting it in, because if it's too hot, then I want to be careful. But if it's not that hot, like this one's not that hot, I'd rate it like a really mild jalapeno. Then I'll add maybe another one. But we'll see how hot it is with these. And I like to keep it a little chunky. Yeah, and that wasn't really a hot jalapeno. And this one's not very hot as well, so I'm going to add both of them to this recipe. The little strips, and then I turn it to the side, and I just cut it up into thick little diced kind of pieces. Because I like to get a little bite of jalapeno when I'm eating this. This is my favorite food. A friend of mine on her Facebook showed that she had made this for her family. And I have craved it for a long time because I like to fish. And cooked shrimp or raw shrimp, depending on the kind of fish that you're trying to catch, is excellent bait. My other secret that my dad taught me was a pinch of worm and a little bit of a marshmallow. Oh, I almost forgot the cilantro. So I just take a big bunch of them, like that. I kind of want to rinse it out because they feel gritty. Just shake it out. 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 And I roll it in a ball, like this. And then I just chop it up, because I love cilantro. See, that's what it looks like so far. And now I'm going to cut this lemon in half. I'm trying to not get seeds, but I see them in there. So I'm just going to put it in my hand to catch the seeds. Now, some people use limes. I mean, that's the thing about recipes. Make it your own. Don't be afraid to experiment. So what if it tastes bad? The next time, try something different. So this is garlic salt. That looks like enough. Clamato juice. This makes good drinks. Get some clam diggers going on. And the nice thing about this dish is the longer it sits, not like too long, but like in a couple days, like, you know, like a couple overnight, this dish is amazing. Because, you know, you get all the spices and stuff that soak into it. It makes it even better. And this is a pretty cheap recipe. So if you're on a budget and you want to do something special, this is a special dish. This is pepper, by the way. And then a little regular salt. I better put that over my shoulder. Spilling salt. Get bad luck, right? So that's what it looks like finished. Perfect. Got jalapeno and tomato and cilantro and absolutely amazing. You got the kick from the jalapenos, you got the zest from the lemon, and you've got the tomato with the shrimp and the cilantro. You got the nice zestiness of the tomatoes, right? This is refreshing, it's yummy, it's cheap, and it's just what I would want to see on my table. Do you want some fishy? You want some fishy? Make sure you like and subscribe. Tell your friends about me. Share me on Facebook. Look me up on Facebook. I'm sorry if I don't respond on Facebook. That's a lot. I do respond to my comments below, so feel free to make a comment down below. And of course, join us next time for another great recipe on Trailer Park Cooking. I'm Genie B Delicious. Bye, you all.